George Washington once remarked, "To be prepared for war is one of the most effective means of preserving peace." Just as Mr. Washington was prepared for the unexpected, we should prepare our minds by thinking creatively with this question and anticipating unconventional solutions to this challenge that we face. You're presented with amazingly cool-looking shapes. Each shape has 6 numbers. The first shape has numbers 7 on the outside inside the diamonds, and then numbers 3, 4, 2, and 9. The second shape has numbers 5 in the diamonds, and then numbers 2, 3, 3 again, and 8 on the inside. And then the third shape has number 3 in the left diamond, numbers 1, 4, and 1, 4 again. You see the pattern here? And then missing number in the right diamond, which you need to calculate and select as one of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 3, choice B, 4, choice C, 5, and choice D, 6. Take your time to carefully think through this problem, come up with the most creative solution, eliminate the wrong choices, and double-check your final answer. Ready, set, go. Time's up. Do you have your answer ready? I hope so, because the pattern in this question couldn't be any simpler. I hope you didn't fall for the pattern of the same numbers in the outside diamonds, because that's not the pattern. The value in the left diamond is calculated by subtracting the top left number from the bottom left number. Take a close look. 9 minus 2 equals 7. The opposite is true for the right diamond because we use addition. The value in the right diamond is calculated by adding numbers on the right side. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Let's double check and confirm our answer with the second shape. 8 minus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5 again. So far so good, right? Let's move to the third shape. 4 minus 1 does equal 3. And you know what time it is now, right? It's the magic time to calculate the missing number. 1 plus 4 equals 5. So the correct answer here is choice C, 5. But hold on, there is more. Here is the question for you to tackle. You're presented with 3 shapes. The first shape has numbers 3 and 7 on the outside, and numbers 5, 2, 5, and 2. You see the pattern here in the middle. The second shape has numbers 7 and 9 on the outside, and numbers 1, 8, and 1, 8 in the middle. The third shape has number 2 inside of the left diamond, and then numbers 1, 3, 1, and 3 in the middle. Your goal is to calculate the value inside the right diamond. And your choices for the answers are choice A, 3, choice B, 4, choice C, 5, and last but not least, choice D, 6. After you've calculated your answer, make sure to post it in comments and I'll provide you with my feedback. Best in luck with this exciting challenge. If you're trying to improve your analytical and cognitive skills, then this question is for you. You're presented with the series of shapes, and you need to determine which shape comes next in the sequence. Your choices for the answers are choice A, B, C, and D. Time's up. Are you ready to show your answer? The easiest way to solve this challenge is to first eliminate incorrect options. Take a close look. Each shape in the sequence has a certain number of sides, and choice A, circle, doesn't have any sides and can be easily eliminated. Speaking about number of sides, I hope by now you got the pattern. And the pattern here is that number of sides increases with each subsequent shape. The first shape has 2 sides, second shape has 3 sides, and the third shape has 4 sides, which would mean that the next shape in the pattern should have 5 sides, and the only choice that matches this pattern is choice B. So the correct answer here is choice B. Solving this question is like assembling IKEA furniture. Confusing at first, but with a bit of patience, you will have something solid in the end. Just keep screwing in those answers piece by piece. You're presented with 3 cool-looking shapes. Each shape has 4 numbers inside the water drops, or map pointers, depending how you want to look at it. The first shape has numbers 3, 8, 15, and 24. The second shape has numbers 7, 12, 19, and 28. And then the last shape has numbers 15, 22, 31, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 8, choice B, 9, choice C, 10, and last but not least, choice D, 11. Just like on the real test, why don't you take the time to think about it, eliminate incorrect answer, and review your final answer. Then we will reconnect on the other side so I can explain the solution. As you might have guessed correctly, numbers in a shape represent the sequence. Let's look closely at the first shape. The sequence starts at 11 o'clock with number 3. Then it goes around the clock, 3, 8, 15, and 24. And the pattern in this particular sequence involves adding consecutive increasing odd numbers like 5, 7, and 9. Let's look at the example to better understand it. We start with the number 3. 3 plus 5 equals 8. To calculate the next number, instead of 5, we now need to add 7. 8 plus 7 equals 15. And then for the third calculation, we need to use number 9. 15 plus 9 equals 24. Let's confirm our calculations with the second shape. 7 plus 5 equals 12. 12 plus 7 equals 19. And 19 plus 9 equals 28. Now it's time to look closely at the third shape. As you can see, the starting number is missing. So for calculations, instead of addition, we should use subtraction. 15 minus 5 equals 10. So the correct answer here is choice C, 10. But wait, there is more. Now you know how to solve these types of problems, let's make sure you can practice your skills. I have a brand new question for you, which is very similar, but on the other hand is a little different. You're presented with the same set of shapes. The numbers in the shapes are 2, 8, 16, and 26. In the second shape, the numbers are 5, 11, 19, and 29. And in the third shape, the numbers are 15, 23, 33, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 8, choice B, 9, choice C, 10, and last but not least, choice D, 11. Please take as much time as you need to solve this question and reinforce your learning. And when you're done solving it, make sure to post your answer in comments so I can give you my feedback. It's hard to deny that with this magical question, you're not just solving this particular challenge, but you're composing a masterpiece of intellect. Each correct solution is a brushstroke in the portrait of your success. You're presented with the sequence, and you need to determine the missing number in the sequence. The sequence is 35, 16, 14, and then comes the missing number, which you need to select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 10, choice B, 11, choice C, 12, and last but not least, choice D, 13. Are you ready with your answer? I am eager to see it, so let's proceed and compare our solutions. What's interesting about this question that it seems unsolvable until you start thinking out of the box. The pattern here is next number is calculated as sum of digits of the previous number multiplied by 2. Let's look at the first number. First number is 35. 2 digits are 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8, multiplied by 2 equals 16. Let's go to the next number so we can continue the sequence. 1 plus 6 multiplied by 2 equals 7 multiplied by 2 and equals 14. So to calculate the missing number, we need to add 1 and 4 and multiplied by 2. 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10, so the correct answer here is choice A, 10. When you look at this question, you have to realize that when you answer it, it would feel like adding a shining star into the constellation of your success. So keep shining bright. You're presented with Octagon. It has numbers inside. There are 7 numbers, and the 8th number is missing. The numbers are 48, 76, 59, 98, 12, 13, 14, and then comes the missing number, which you need to select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 15. Choice B, 16. Choice C, 17. Choice D, 18. I hope you noticed there is a pattern here. Look at 12, 13, 14, or maybe not. You think it's a tricky question? Fear not. You're in a good company on this quest. Whether you're a seasonal problem solver or just starting out, I have confidence in your abilities. Pause for a moment, channel your inner creativity, and let's conquer this challenge side by side. Your solution is just around the corner. Are you prepared with your solution? I am curious to compare notes, so let's move forward and share our answers. To answer this question, you need to look closely to determine the pattern. And the pattern here is that starting at 8 o'clock, numbers on the opposite side of the octagon are sums of digits of the numbers from the opposite side. Let's look at the example. You see the number 48 at 8 o'clock? 4 plus 8 equals 12, and that's exactly the number on the opposite side. Let's keep looking. 76 converts into 7 plus 6 and equals 13. 59 converts to 5 plus 9 and equals 14. And then the missing number can be calculated as 9 plus 8 and equals 17. So the correct answer here is choice C, 17. Here's the question for you to practice. You're presented with 3 shapes. First shape has numbers 10, 20, 5, and 4. Second shape has numbers 6, 24, 3, and 6. And then the third shape has numbers 14, 36, 7, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 6, choice B, 7, choice C, 8, and choice D, 9. After you've calculated your answer, post it in comments and I'll provide you my feedback. Best of luck with this exciting challenge. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you for helping us to become one of the largest YouTube channels to help people become smarter, increase your IQ, and to pass any test. If the content of this video was helpful, please make sure to click the like button to help YouTube algorithm promote this video and help other people to find it faster. Giving us a like is also a way for you to tell us that you need more content like this, and when you tell us, we will deliver it for you in the future. For links to free and premium resources, please check the description and comments of this video. You can also go directly to our website, howtoanalyzedata.net, to download the materials related to this topic. I really appreciate your endorsement, support, and patronage of this channel. And thank you for considering to become a member and considering to subscribe. Please leave feedback, suggestions, or corrections in comments. And all the best on your journey. I'll see you in my next video.